Want to make your Roblox game public so anyone can play it? In this video, I will show you how to publish your game to Roblox in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have Roblox Studio installed on your PC. If you don't, just search for Roblox Studio in your browser, click on the official link, hit Start Creating, and download the installer. Once Roblox Studio is open, you can either create a new experience by clicking New Experience or open a project you have already built. Before publishing, you'll need to save your game. Click on File in the top left, then choose Save to Roblox As and click Create New Game. Now give your game a name, write a short description and hit Save at the bottom. After saving, go to File again and click Publish to Roblox. This uploads your game to your Roblox account so it can be shared. Next, make your game public so others can play. Click on Game Settings, select Permissions on the left, and then change the visibility from private to public. Click Save. To view your game, open the Roblox website, click your profile name and go to Creations tab. Use the arrow keys to scroll through your games. Click your game title, and now you or anyone can play it and share it. And that's it. Your Roblox game is now live for the world to play. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.